Morning, y'all. I've got something here in my hot little hands I thought I'd share with you today. So this is my first Festool. I did not pay for it, nor did Festool pay me to review it. I was at my local blade sharpener about a month ago, and Festool had a van out there demoing tools, and they asked me for my PII to enter a sweepstakes. And a month later, I've got this, so sweet. I just thought I'd do a little unboxing video because this is kind of special for me, and I hope you guys have some fun along the way. Let's dive in. Here's the sweet sustainer. Alright, we've got their ETS 125 REQ. That's their 5-inch orbital sander. Got the cord. Wow, that's a long cord. This warranty and service information. Alright, here's the tool itself. It's a little heavier than my DeWalt. Fits in the hand nicely. Big button. So this is the guard. I guess it's to keep you from bumping the edge of the sander on something. Nice little dust bag, I guess. And a single sheet of 120 grit sandpaper. Nice. Now let's see if my shop vac will connect to this. I've got the Rockler universal dust cord. So I obviously did not spring for the $500 compatible Festool shop vac, but this will do the job, it looks like. So the ETS 125 probably isn't first on anyone's list of Festools that they should buy. Is it worth the 200 to 300% markup over the DeWalt or the Milwaukee? Probably not for me at this point. I'm not the type of woodworker that Festool is designed around. I don't go onto the job site very often, and I've got plenty of dust collection already in my shop. So those features just aren't worth paying 200 to 300% more for me. That being said, what should be at the top of my list of Festools? Well, we all know what should be at the top of the list, but what's second or third? Is it the track saws, is it the routers, is it the other sanders? Let me know. I'm curious what you think, what the craze is about. Alright, so I've had a week or two to play with this guy, and I have to admit, I ate a big old slice of humble pie. I get it. I get why you would spend 2 or 3 times as much on the Festool as you would the DeWalt. First off, this nice big switch, the ergonomics here is great. There's never any question if I'm going to turn it on or off again. Whereas the DeWalt, every once in a while it accidentally hit that button, and more importantly, the internals are way better balanced. So what that translates to is less noise and less vibration, which means sanding doesn't suck anymore. When you spend 2 or 3 hours at a time sanding, your forearms are going to feel it, and you start to dread that part of the process a little bit. But also, less noise is great. You can have a conversation with someone while you're sanding. I think my only beef is the sandpaper, or the sandpaper holes. They're not compatible with your standard Home Depot Diablo brand sandpaper, which means you've got to buy the Festool brand. It's the razor and the blade business model, but yeah, just kind of a bummer. I've got about $200 or $300 worth of sandpaper I'm going to have to burn through before I can really take advantage of the dust collection holes. I get it, especially if you're a guy that's doing this 5 or 6 days a week. Using this tool is going to make your life a lot better. I was telling my wife that this is probably the most expensive free tool I'll ever get, because from here on out, if I need a new tool, whether it's a track saw or a router, the first one I'm going to look at is the Festool, just because this guy's made sanding so much better. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.